My name is a student. My father name is businessman. My mother name is housewife.
قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Honorable President of today's Guardian Conference and the Prize Distribution Program, organized by Darus Salam Islamia Madrasa and my respected teachers and my classmates. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty God who has given us the gift of free religious education. That is Quran, Hadith along with Bengali, Math, English, etc. My dear brothers, the student life is the best period of our life. This is such a time when boys and girls accept education.